训班以光伏全产业链创新技术为核心，意在分享应力在光伏技术、产品以及多元化应用场景中的创新的成果。我们希望借此机会进一步促进中非两国在光伏领域的经验互鉴以及技术交流，为菲律宾培养更多本土化的光伏技术骨干，共同推动菲律宾清洁能源事业的发展。
As the climate crisis gets worse and at a faster pace each year, our actions to push for climate solutions become more urgent each year. No solution is better than renewable energy, and no solution is better than small yet beautiful, flexible solar power that could sit on top of each household and provide safety, security, and a sense of relief.
我们大楼也是采用了光伏绿色建材产业，推动建筑使用可再生能源，已经是我们全球发展的必然趋势。未来建筑必将是光电建筑结合的，能够产能的正能源建筑。 我们彩色纹理的光伏玻璃是全球首创新型建材产品，具有高效的发电性能的。
科技不应该是高高在上，科技应该是受惠于民。
I've learned a lot, especially in the new technologies on the solar PV system, particularly the BIPV system, which for me before, I thought it was just a far, like 10 years from now, technology. But as I have seen here, it is being already implemented and installed in residential and commercial places.
There are communities that needs a lot of course, our help. Then I'm planning really to focus also on communities that doesn't have electricity through the use of solar, because I believe the technology of solar industry is already mature.
Nalaman ko kung ano ba ang possibility na maitulong ng solar, no? Which is hindi ko naman talaga alam yan before. So ngayon nalaman ko kung paano siya makakatulong sa environment ng una. And then, syempre, doon sa aming community, kung paano kung i-apply, ay malaking katipiran sa kuryente. Yun ang pinaka-main objective ko, no? Upang maibaba yung bill namin ng kuryente sa aming community. Yun.
PAX has a program called the Belt and Road Initiative that is directed towards green energy. We aim to connect these technical people with the local community. Our goal is to push more communities can adopt distributed renewable energy.
Our efforts in renewable energy are not just about economic growth, they are about saving our climate for future generations. Together, let us embrace this challenge and work hand in hand to make a significant impact.
This year, the Philippines and China commemorate 50 years of diplomatic relations. Friendship goes farther back. Today, we continue the tradition in a vital field, clean and renewable energy. What you learn here can inspire real change back home, powering communities and giving our people a cleaner and more affordable energy option.